Hi everyone, Trishna here. So in today's video, I want to talk about negative thoughts and why you should not be scared of them, why you should not fear them, why it just shouldn't take up too much of your mental capacity. So I know with the law of attraction, it's all about having positive thoughts, and your thoughts create your reality. And that's very true. But there is a time delay. The universe has very gracefully, gratefully, generously, the universe has very generously given us a time delay. Now, when we really want something, that time delay may not feel very generous. It may feel like a block in our way. It may feel like something that gives us a lot more pain because we really want what we want, but really it is actually a very generous gift from the universe, because that time delay gives us the opportunity to really evaluate, okay, I'm setting my intentions out for this, but I've changed my mind. I actually would really rather have this. It gives you that time space. Or I've sent out this negative thought, but that negative thought that I just sent out doesn't suddenly manifest like right there before my eyes instantaneously. There's a time gap for me to be able to shift my energies. So this time gap is very generous on the universe's part. It's something that I know can be really frustrating. I get frustrated with it too, but I also appreciate it in the sense that, yeah, my positive manifestations don't always happen instantaneously, but neither do my negative intentions, neither do my negative thoughts, and that is something to be grateful for. So that's one side of the whole negative thought conversation. Don't be afraid, because there is a time gap that gives you the opportunity to shift your feelings, shift your thoughts into something more positive, so that you're bringing something more positive in versus the negative thought that you sent out. Now, the other thing that I want to say about it is I want to talk about this in the concept of parallel realities and hopping realities. So whenever you have a negative thought, that is at one frequency. That is you right now having a negative thought in this reality that you're currently living in. But like I talked about in my previous video on hopping realities, there are an infinite number of realities, and we're constantly shifting in between them based off of whatever dominant thoughts and feelings we are putting out there right now. So it's the main ones. What are you 51% of the time, 60% of the time putting out there? That's the reality that's going to be the one that shows up for you. That's the one that you're always going to kind of be shifting towards. So whenever you put out a negative thought, that's me here putting out a negative thought in this reality. But now I have a time delay, and that gives me the chance to shift my thoughts, shift my feelings. And the moment that I do that, the moment that I shift my thoughts and my feelings, I shift realities. And once I shift realities, that negative thought, it's in the old reality. I'm not living that reality anymore. It's gone. I'm now in this reality, which is separate from that reality. And so in this reality, I have my positive thoughts. And so the positive things are going to come to me. So that's another reason why you shouldn't worry about negative thoughts is you have a time delay, and in that time delay you can switch your vibration to suddenly be off in a different reality than you were in when you sent out that negative thought. The negative thought exists in that old reality, but you've already jumped to a new one, and so that negative thought can't affect you anymore because it's in a separate reality. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I earned your like and your subscribe. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in my next video.